Hi, I'm Stacey with WTI. Thanks to this awesome water filter from Puroflo, the drinking water here has improved so much. This is a great replacement for having a big giant water jug or buying water bottles, and it's so easy to install as well. This water filter is good for about 22,000 gallons, so about 6 months. And the kit contains everything that you need, including a template so that you can easily install it in your sink area. Once you have it installed and set up, it hooks easily into the hot and cold. And that filter underneath that it comes with can easily be replaced whenever you are ready without any tools. The best part is that you get nice clear drinking water at the end with no aftertaste, and it's good for you. So go with that great option that's going to give you better drinking water. It lasts for quite some time, and you're going to have pure, clean, nice drinking water that just tastes so good. And that's my point of view.